Well, Chris Valdes is a Miami-born and raised chef, TV personality, philanthropist, and celebrity caterer. He's known for fusing Caribbean flavors with modern influences, creating bold, soulful dishes rooted in heritage and community. And Chef Chris Valdes joins us now. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having me.
Of course. All right. What are we making today? Because this all looks and smells amazing.
So we have some feel-good summer vegan recipes. And if you're not vegan, this is a great time that I invite you to enjoy all these beautiful flavors, you know. It makes you feel good. So we're going to start off with a little mojito.
Okay.
And this is basically a summertime mocktail. So we're going to do some mint, freshly squeezed lime juice, very important. We're going to add a little bit of the bubbles, so a little club soda, and a little mint simple syrup that I like to make, which infuses that mint in there. So if you want to do a little cheers.
All right.
Yeah, cheers.
Sounds good.
There you go.
Thank
Just to start
you.
off.
Oh, that's phenomenal.
Yes.
That is phenomenal.
And the next thing we have is a cucumber and chickpea salad. You have those bold, beautiful flavors, a little kick with the jalapeno, some garlic, freshly squeezed lemon, lime juice, some cilantro, some parsley. So that's a nice little salad to have there to start off the meal. We have a pan con tomate. A pan con tomate, we have some toasted sourdough bread, and I like to zest my tomato, zest my garlic cloves, and then some good quality olive oil. You know, what mom has at home, bring it out, that expensive stuff. Add some of that, some freshly grounded black pepper and some Maldon salt, which adds the perfect taste for the pan con tomate, which is a little Spanish-inspired recipe. And then here's my chicken salad that we put on some tostones, but we made it with jackfruit.
Now, what is jackfruit for people who aren't sure what it is?
It's a big fruit, and it's very versatile, and you could definitely make pulled pork, vegan pulled pork with it. Here we made some pulled chicken. We added some jalapeno, a little vegan mayo, cilantro, avocado, and this is a little take a Venezuelan chicken style salad that you make on top of an arepa, but we did it with our tostones because we love tostones. And then last but not least, what we're going to make is the vegan picadillo empanadas with my signature garlic aioli. And we made some little vegan brown beef, obviously with some tofu. We added some olives, some peppers, onions, all those flavors. And then we're going to add that to our empanada shell. And I like putting it just in the middle like that.
Wow.
And now, I don't know if you can smell this. Like, just give it a little smell.
Oh, it smells really good.
Yes, and that has tons of flavor in there. And these are all recipes, especially the picadillo, that I grew up with, smelling in the kitchen and helping my mom. So now that you're expecting, you know, this is a great opportunity that when the kids grow up, to get them involved in the kitchen at an early age, let them help you, let them explore their curiosity for food in the kitchen.
And how did you take all of this, and why did you decide to make it vegan?
I decided to make it vegan because I think that the kitchen is just a place where we're meant to explore. And this is a great thing to, you know, sometimes I feel that we're caught up with labels, and this is a great way to, you know, hey, we're still going to enjoy this. It's still fun. It's still going to be flavorful. It's still summertime. Why not?
Amazing. And what is the response to people who've never tried vegan food, and now they're trying all these fusion foods that, you know, with jackfruit, with vegan alternatives they've never...
I think we're slowly changing. I think people are starting to open their mind, and also it helps when a chef, you know, creates all these things and it's around you and you try and you're like, I never thought it was going to be that good.
Amazing. And one last question for you. You've used your platform to give back in a really big way. Why is that important, especially around food?
Oh, you know what? I think giving back to the community is one of the best things we could do, just because it's our community, it's our familia, it's what we grew up with, and it's always important to use our voices and our tools and our resources to help out each other out, because we're family. That's what we're meant to do.
Amazing. And that is a great way to end. We are going to snack on this back here, but this is Chef Chris Valdes. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
All right, we've got more of the noon for you straight ahead. Stay with us.